Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how we can get a notification of whether a job, SAP job. If you are working in SAP, if you have SAP, you will have SAP background job. There's no question. Okay, you go to SM36. That's the transaction you go, and here I will show you how you can define a job with a recipient, email recipient who will get the status of the jobs. How you can do that. So first I'll just create the ZTest. Suppose this is the job name. And here I will get, suppose here I'll put this. Generally, this is the user ID. This user ID is the user ID that will execute the job. So generally it would be a background ID which has all the authorization. Okay. Then here I will just put um, program. So this is the program for sending email rswf fml2. That's for sending workflow notification. And here I'll just, if I don't have a variant, that's fine. I just click rsw. What was the program name? Let me see. I can search here and I can do fmlw, I think. So let's see. You, well, you can see from here that you can search also. So here RSW FML, this one. So this is the program name and this is the variant. Okay. So I'll choose one variant just for the heck. And here I'll click on save. After that, so here if you notice, this has been created. Now I'll go here and I'll click on email recipient. Here you can say send email jobs with status cancelled and status cancelled or completed. So you can do that, and here you can mention the email recipient, which is very handy, and in this way you can know what has happened to this. So in this way, if something, generally what happens is people want to know whether it's cancelled. If it's cancelled, ooh, there's a dump going on, something wrong. So generally you can put the person who has built this program to fix this, and you can put the email recipient. So I will just put abc@gmail.com. Okay, and I'll click on apply. Okay, and here you can see it's cancelled. So if you see, and I'll save it, and whenever the job will start, if it gets cancelled, I'll get an email notification from SAP. This is how if there is an important job like a payroll job or a lockbox job, or all those jobs that is related with money gets cancelled, someone needs to work on it. If there's a billing job that's sending bills to the customers, if it fails, it's money loss for you. So someone needs to monitor it. How you monitor? You set up an email notification. Here they get an email where a severity 1 or 2 ticket gets created, and you are all on course fixing the trouble. Okay, that's how SAP project work really works. So this is the way you can do it. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great